Hello and welcome to week 8 Coming Attractions. Week 8, do you believe it? We are that close. You have 7 weeks left from here. Now, what does that mean? It means I know Lisa's class is finished, so you can put your full attention into this one. And where are you supposed to be? You're supposed to be doing some reading and analyzing the data you've gathered, but also analyzing what you don't have. It's really important to think about that. What is lacking? What do you need to know that maybe you haven't figured out yet, or you haven't heard from me? Make sure your questions are, inclusive. So are you going to read? Yes, you are. You're going to read 15 pages, which is chapters 6 and 7. You're also going to read an article about organizational assessment surveys. I think it will be very helpful for you. Then you are going to look at a video about coaching versus consulting. And finally, for week 8, you should be crafting your 4th report. Now, what does that mean? Reports 1 through 3 may not be finished. If they're not, or you need to recraft them, or there's things that you have to work on, this is a time when we start to catch up and move forward. The next few weeks could go by incredibly fast, but remember, I am here to help you, both as your client, but also as your instructor. This is a weird week. We have 4th of July coming up. I'm working through Thursday, and then I will be off from Thursday afternoon till Tuesday morning. So please feel free to contact me by Thursday, or we can pick it up on Tuesday. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great week. And remember, if you need anything, I'm available. Take care.